All right, online peeps. Today you guys are taking that box and whisker plot that you guys taught. I got to talk to you how to find the other steps for on Friday, I guess Thursday actually last week. You guys are going to be taking that a step further today and actually being able to read a box and whisker plot. The online folks, y'all probably won't have to really make any box and whisker plots. There will be one question on that little test that we have on Wednesday or Thursday this week that asks you to identify one. But if you use the same steps that I show you guys now, you should do fine on that problem, even though you guys have not made them online. The first thing, from a box and whisker plot, you can actually find all of those points that we found last time using the box and whisker plot this time instead of actually using the number points or the data that I gave you guys. The things that you can find from a box and whisker plot are your high, your low, your median, your lower quartile, your upper quartile, and your IQR. We actually find just by subtracting two things. So I'll show you guys that in just a second. Hold on a second. Let me pull my charger into my computer. All right. So y'all, finding each one of these things is as simple as reading the graph, except for, like I said, the IQR, you actually have to do a subtraction problem, but that's not too bad either. To find your high and low, you need to look at these dots on either side of the box and whisker plot. The highest number is going to be marked by the dot on this side. This will be my high value. My low value is marked by the dot on this side. This is always going to be your high and low dot, so you just need to look at the number that's underneath to find out what value they have. My low is above 6, so my low equals 6. My high is in the middle of 24 and 26, so that would be 25 as my high. My median is right on 16. Your median is always the middle line in the box. Y'all, if you need to draw these while you're doing your assignment, that might make it easier for you to find out which one each thing is right away, and then you can tell me what thing goes for each value. My lower quartile is the quartile on the left side. It should be between the median and the low, your LQ, your lower quartile. And on the other side, between the median and the high, is your upper quartile. Some people call it the higher quartile, upper quartile. Just like from the other pieces, y'all, you're just going to find out what number is it over on the number line. My lower quartile here is over 12. My LQ is 12. My upper quartile is over 22. My upper quartile is 22. Forgot to say my median was 16. The last thing I need to find is this number here, the IQR, which is really just the distance from my my lower quartile and my upper quartile. You can find that by subtracting your upper quartile number minus your lower quartile number, which would be 22 minus 12, which gives me 10. So my interquartile range is what that's called, or my IQR is 10. Y'all, I seriously suggest that you guys write this down on your paper, please. That'll definitely help you or make it a little bit easier for you when you guys are trying to find out what thing goes with which number. And remember, to find the IQR, you take the upper quartile, UQ, minus the lower quartile, the LQ. And whatever number you get, that should also be the distance here. Look, it said there was 10 from 12 to 22. These are counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Y'all, if you have any questions, please either join me in Zoom or send me an email and I will get back to you guys. Thanks.